In this video, I'll detail how to turn off hand gestures on Apple Watch Series 9. So if you have an Apple Watch Series 9, whether with cellular or GPS, and you want to turn off the hand gestures while using zoom, like tap, double tap, clench, or double clench, then you can easily turn this off or disable this on your device. So if at the end of this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first one to do is click on the Digital Crown button once to exit the clock face. Then locate the settings icon and click on it. On the settings page, scroll down and select accessibility. You can also use the two crown to scroll down and select accessibility. So click on that, and once you selected that, to turn on hand gestures in zoom or zoom hand gesture, just click on zoom, then scroll down and locate hand gestures. Then to disable this, just toggle this off, and this is going to disable the hand gesture on your Apple Watch Series 9. So if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.